In this video, I'm going to show you how to register on a new app called Sone Chidiya and how to claim the 20 USDT welcome bonus that is available for new users. But before I jump into the tutorial, let me quickly explain what Sone Chidiya is. Sone Chidiya is a Web3 reward platform with its own digital asset called SKC. Users can earn SKC by completing the daily task, inviting friends, and participating in the in-app activities. The project is still in its early stage, but according to the team, they plan to expand the ecosystem over time. Now that you understand what the app is all about, let me go to my phone screen and show you guys how to download the application, how to register, and how to claim your 20 USDT welcome bonus. So guys, once you click the link in the description of this video, it's going to take you directly to this Google Play to download the application. I've already installed it, that's why it's showing open. So once you install the application, you click on this open. So once you click on open, this place you see select language. Click on select language, then select your language. I'm going to select English. Then this place you are going to see create account or verify account. You understand? So this create account, this is what we are going to use because we don't have account on this app yet. So we are going to click on create account, this one at the top. Click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to take you to this page where you input all your details, your full name, your email address, your invitation, your referral code, and everything. So let's start by inputting my full name. So after you input your Gmail address, this place they are going to tell you to paste your referral code. They are going to ask you to input your referral code. Make sure to paste exactly this code you are seeing here. As you can see on the screen, this particular one, make sure to paste it. I'm going to input it in the comment section, in the description of this video, or you can just write it out like this. So once you input it, this place they are going to tell you to this send verification code here. You are going to click on it. So if you click on it, they will send you one-time code to make sure the email you input is your own. So they are going to send you the code, then you input the code here. So you are going to click on this send verification code right here. We are going to click on it. So once we click on it, you can see verification code sent to mosescnswork@gmail.com. Then click on OK. Then you go to your email to go and check. So let me go to my email and check. They have already sent it. So the code is let me input the code 3737. Then this place down here, you are going to see create account. You are going to click on it. They will tell you to input your password or your fingerprint to continue. So I just input my fingerprint. You can see identity secure. You can see, so save your recovery free. So they will give you your recovery free. So I blurred it because this is what you can use to like access your account if you mistakenly delete your account. So make sure you keep it safe. You understand? Make sure to keep it safe. So that's why I blur it. So after you copy it or snap it and keep it somewhere very safe, you click on this saved. They will give you $20 welcome bonus. So this is how to register. It's very simple. Before we continue with the video, my name is CNS and all I do on this channel is to look for legit ways you and I can use to earn online. If I try them out by myself, I come here and make videos about it. So if you are interested in videos like this and you want to keep seeing more amazing updates from this channel, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell. So anytime I post video, YouTube will show you before other people see it. And to join my Telegram channel, the link is going to be pinned in the comment section of this video. So let's get back to the video. So once you are done with your registration, here is how to earn more SKC on this particular platform. So once you are done with your registration and you register with the invitation code I show you in this video, they will give you 200,000 SKC for just signing up. Then every day you share an article, you get 50,000 SKC. And every day you click on the temple blessing, you get 50,000 SKC. So let me show you how to complete these two tasks every day to be earning 100,000 SKC every day. So once you come to this place, under it here you are going to see this temple here. So once you click on temple, it's going to take you to this place. So I've already clicked on it. That is why this place is showing gray. So once you come here, you click on this particular place and you will earn 50,000 SKC every day. Then after that one, you see this share under it here. Click on this share. So once you click on this share, you copy this article, you click on this share here. So once you click on it, copy it, share it to your group, channels, and all of that. You also still earn 50,000 SKC. You understand? So you can see the amount I have right now is 300,000 SKC, which worth 30 USDT. So let me tell you something. This 30 USDT that you can see right here, you cannot withdraw it immediately and spend it, but you will withdraw it later when when this SKC is listed on the market. So this is a crypto project. So right now they reward you to participate in different activities. So once they list their project on the market, that is when you sell this money that you are seeing here on the market, convert it to any cryptocurrencies and use it. Hope you understand. Like I always say, don't just follow project blindly. So after you are done with your registration, you are complete your task, make sure to come right here on their website. The link is going to be pinned in the description of this video. So come to this website, go through their roadmap to know what they are building and the listing and everything. Hope you understand. Always do your own research, read about the project, go to their white paper. So once you go to their white paper, go through everything to understand the project you are following, to know what you will be expecting from this particular project. Click anywhere around here to watch my other video, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this post, to join my Telegram channel. The link is going to be pinned in the comment section of this video. So I will see you in my next post.